If you're gonna sabotage your own self through negative words, if you don't have a good relation with your own self, then no one is gonna keep good relation with you. Some people are at war with their own self. Do you agree? They are not satisfied with their own self. They don't accept their weakness. So they sabotage themselves. They say, मैं तो बस ऐसे ही हूँ, मुझसे नहीं होना, उसके पास तो ये, मेरे पास तो ये है ही नहीं. All my life I have done nothing. I have been a failure. आज मेरा दिन अच्छा नहीं गुजरा. आज अल्लाह ने ही मेरे साथ ये करना था. So all these negative words, trust me, they are affecting your hormones. If you know, scientifically it's proven that positive words can have a magical effect over your body language. Why? Because when you utter positive words, such hormones are excreted which make your body language very confident, very strong body language, and people are gonna love you. You're gonna become a magnet. People are gonna be attracted to you, that this guy always encourages. He utters words of hope. He says words of kindness. And he always encourages. He's giving me hope. And when you will be an employee or a student who's always saying good, he's always positive, even in a negative situation, then see your value over there. देखें, बातें करने वाले बहुत हैं. मुल्क के हालात नहीं ठीक, यूनिवर्सिटी के हालात नहीं ठीक, हमें ये नहीं मिला, हमें वो नहीं मिला. What about the positive aspects? Are there no positive aspects? And what about hope? That we're gonna change it. We're gonna bring a positive change. बड़े कम लोग हैं ये. Stand out from the rest, you know. Don't be a sheep. Don't follow others like a sheep to the slaughterhouse. Become a lion. Become a leader. Become the one who leads, who stands out from the rest.